I want to talk to you about Velcro. What does that word mean? Well, it's split up into two parts. V-E-L, vel, means Velcro, and the crow means crochet. But how did that word come to be? Well, back in the 1940s, there was a Scottish man walking through the woods. He was walking, and all of a sudden he looked down and noticed there were all these plants stuck on his cuff. They were little briars, and they had all these little spikes, and they just stuck to him. So he kneeled down and ended up taking them all off one by one. He was fascinated by them. He wondered how they stuck to him like that, so he ended up taking one home, and he opened it up and looked on the inside very carefully and noticed on the inside there were all these little hooks. His cuff had all these little loops, and so the little hooks stuck to the loops, and he came up with this idea of Velcro.